right, this is baby Churros. He is an Aussiedoodle, a JoJo baby, which makes him a F1B. He's a black bi. I just love his head. He has a beautiful little head and stuff. He's a very loving little boy. Yes, huh? I'm very loving. Yes. I'm a good boy. Show him. Yep. Show them. Yeah. Show them. Say, I'm handsome as ever. Say, my mama and daddy has been genetically health tested. Huh. Yep. Say, I am going to be very stunning. I am a sweetheart. I believe he's going to have some black on his paws too, because if you look underneath, you can see a little bit of black, which I think is going to be very pretty. It's going to be stunning. All the way around, I can see a little bit of black, and it's coming out a little bit more and more. Yep, huh? Tell them. Say, I'm a happy boy, I'm a sweetheart, and I'm a lover. Yep. Yeah. Now show them. Show them. He's just kicked back. Yep. Say, I just a kickback baby. Yep. Yeah. 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 Show them all. Show them. Yes. Say, I just a little baby lover. Yes, huh?